Congratulations! This is the 2016 JCI Basketball League. And today I'm with...
Homer Uy.
Eman Rivera.
Lysander ko.
Jonathan, but call me Joe. Girls, call me anytime.
Alright, so for today, sa game nyo, paano kayo nag-prepare?
Nag-practice kami last last Monday. We did practice with a different team. Nagkaroon kami ng tune-up. Pukpukan yung practice para sa game na to kasi alam namin malakas yung kalaban namin today.
Anything to add?
I agree.
I agree too.
Second the motion?
What's the question?
Ay, not anything to add. Paano kayo nag-prepare for this game?
As a team, we're always prepared. Siyempre, with Chris guiding us and leading the way. So, the rest of the team support na lang.
And then next, saan kayo nahirapan sa game today?
Actually, we did a hard time sa shooting namin sa offense. Medyo hindi pumapasok nung first 2 quarters. Pero gumana rin on the second half of the game. So yun, kaya kami nakalamang. And of course, yung defense namin, hindi namin binitawan.
Kayo nahirapan guys?
Nahirap. At first, yung momentum kasi back and forth eh. At least yung sa dulo, yung naka-momentum kami, tuloy-tuloy na, wala nang hindi na nila nakuha ulit.
Nahirapan nun kami. Especially ako pagpunta rito matraffic kasi. Tsaka malamig sa bench kaya support na lang.
Parehas lang.
And then last, ano yung mga preparations nyo for your next game?
Well, of course, magkakaroon ulit ng practice. Hopefully, lahat makapunta. And next game, make sure lang lahat ready na. Walang malilate. Late ako ngayon eh.
Ako.
Pero okay lang, nakabawi naman eh.
Preparations for next game?
As I said, we're always prepared. Mindset na lang namin na wag maging overconfident. Basta just be ready. As a team, confident ako na we can compete with them. So, mindset lang.
Alright, I think I need to step up para sa next game namin.
Huwag daw malilate.
Hindi malilate. Hindi ako magsusot ng Jordan 11 kasi pag umulan si Homer, hindi makababa sa kotse kaya late.
Practicing ko English ko. Para sa next game, hindi lang puro I agree.
Okay, thank you so much guys and congratulations. Once again, this is the 2016 JCI Basketball League and thank you for watching.
Alright.